Hi everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to apply Neenah Jetcol DHS Sublimation paper on a sublimation coffee mug. For anyone that gets impatient while sublimating mugs, I think you'll enjoy what you're about to see. Applying sublimation transfers onto hard substrates can sometimes be a tedious task, especially if you need to get a large amount of mugs done in a little amount of time. Fortunately, Neenah's Jetcol DHS Sublimation paper changes this, as this paper cuts your transfer time in half. This allows for faster production while leaving zero compromises in print quality, which allows your transfers to appear as clear and colorful as possible. Let's give Jetcol DHS a test with an 11-ounce Orca mug. First, set your mug press to 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. But instead of setting the time to 190 seconds, set it to 95 seconds, which is exactly half the time required to press the mug with the other papers. While the machine reaches temperature, be sure to print your image mirrored with the Jetcol DHS profile on your printer. Once printed, trim your sublimation transfer, then flushly wrap and tape it onto the mug. When the mug press is ready, carefully place your mug inside the heating element, then press. When the mug press is done, open it and carefully bring the hot mug out. After allowing the mug to cool down for a moment, peel the paper off and your Jetcol DHS transfer is done. Even though we've shown Neenah Jetcol DHS on a coffee mug, this paper is just as ready to transfer onto other types of sublimation drinkware, and even flat hard substrates. All you'll need to do is cut the usual pressing time in half. You can refer to your Heat Press cheat sheet or check out heat.press/sheet to see a list of several settings for popular sublimation blanks. But to learn more about Neenah papers and sublimation in general, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can call my expert representative at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thank you for watching.